มีทางรองสอดกับสีดำได้เลยบางสีดำน้องปูบางรองสอดสีวางเล็ดนี่กันนะมีทางแฮมดูก็เกี่ยน่าเราไปดำปู
interstate issue বুলি তে মই আসল কথাটো জানিব লাগিব এইটো ভাবি পেলাই মই আজি স্পটত আহিছিলোঁ যে ইয়াত আহি পেলাই মই দেখি পোৱা গৈছিলোঁ যে এইটো ইণ্টাৰষ্টেট বৰ্ডাৰ ইছ্যু নহয় আচলটো এইটো আচল কথাটো হ'ল মুঠাদে অঞ্চল আৰু মোজেম এই দুটা গাঁৱৰ মাজত অলপ সীমা কিবা প্ৰব্লেম হৈছিলে তথাপি মই আকৌ যোৱাকালি ৰাতি মই আকৌ নিউজত দেখি পোৱা গৈছে মেঘালয় এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেটিভবিলাক আহিছে KSU পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি মেঘালয় পুলিচ এইবিলাক এই অঞ্চলত আহি পাইছিলে এইটো বহুত দুখৰ কথা যদি আমি 1951 ডিমাৰ্কেশ্যন যদি চাওঁ তেনেহ'লে এইটো মোজেম বা মুঠাদে এইটো আণ্ডাৰ দ্য জুৰিডিকশ্যন অফ ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু আমি যদি ক'বলৈ যায় তেনেহ'লে more than 35 কিলোমিটাৰ ভিতৰতে হৈছিলে ঘটনাটো আৰু এটা কথা মই ক'ব খোজোঁ মোজেম অঞ্চলত বা মোজেম ৰাইজ more than 70 years তেওঁলোকে আছাম ভিতৰতে ভোট দিছিলে তেওঁলোকে মেঘালয় মানুহ হয় নেকি এতিয়া এই ঘটনাটো গুচি গৈছে আছাম মানুহ ভিতৰতে হৈছে এইটো ইণ্টাৰষ্টেট বৰ্ডাৰ ইছ্যু বুলিতো নহয়
কিমান কিলোমিটাৰ দূৰ আছে মেঘালয় বৰ্ডাৰ
more than 35 কিলোমিটাৰ so I strongly condemn by the entry of Meghalaya police under the jurisdiction of West Karbi Anglong because there is a boundary between both the district there is an administration in West Karbi Anglong without giving any prior information they have entered so on this regard I strongly condemn and the people of Mojem residential of Mojem people they have submitted a memorandum to the DC of West Jaintia Hill district I condemn because more than 70 years they have stayed in this jurisdiction under this jurisdiction peacefully then why if any problem happen then they should submit a memorandum to the DC of West Karbi Anglong because we fall under this West Karbi Anglong jurisdiction so on this matter the state government and the council authority should take amicable solution that is we the Karbi Student Association request channel ba local news channel ba state news channel long take long lo border issue po lasi border issue ma mate copy issue ma laso ajoine se pinir bang dak sport dimak long anse neli bang lo se ladak nang take long lo je lage Meghalaya lapen Assam border issue kalide lake muthade bi lapen Mojem la rongni issue pina alang litum village boundary laso asapso kachi tonte laso ajoine se kedam tang ni phai krep phol la jang mi po 2023 ar ni bang asap chitor ko se lasi niliako karju thugang tunga bangela lo Mojem mulain bonon khat khasla bonon lake under the jurisdiction of West Karbi Anglong itum yongsi 1951 demarcation bang langdam bolote lake originally lake Meghalaya kali seta atumi ako news thek thulong lo Meghalaya police atum lapen alang litum along nagi duntu Khasi student union atum lasi Karbi Anglong administration umhan lang plot selang litum bangke bordering area pen kilometer thomker phol ason sosi arlosi nang luchok si ladak nang kidun hala bangke nilitum pinrem lo mate we condemn athe bangke ilitum le Meghalaya lo kopine amai do dami posta da administration tumdo alang litum han litum prior information pinai seta tumi bang ilitum administration Assam government han lang plot selang litum bang la dakiwang lo lasin litum strongly condemn lo la step kideng bang chokchi Asama government la pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ka cari bom. Tim Karbi Anglong ka cipu Dr. Tuliram Rohang tum pastame a step ding nangi. Unana ke prapen la bangso spoda long nang humri si kacing thora warsai hui pastame pivek nangi. Lalo ahurmu bangke.
I would like to inform that I'm a youth from this village and I was grown and brought up from this village. So what had happened yesterday was that there is a problem between two villages, that is our village and Khasi village nearby. So this village is not falling under the Meghalaya, or it is not the borderline. It is still in the Karbi Anglong, and both the village committee should compromise about this problem. So I would like to ask the government of Meghalaya and the student union there, KSU, why they have entered into our place and try to occupy our land here. So this problem should be solved. Our problem should be solved up only between our two villages. There is no right people from Meghalaya coming here to solve this problem. And I would like to ask the people of Khasi living here why they have gone to Meghalaya to submit a memorandum. They have lived here, so they are from Assam. They should go to our West Karbi Anglong. We have our DC here. We have our police station here. Why they are going to Meghalaya to submit to memorandum to Meghalaya to solve this small problem? They should inform our council leaders are there, authority are there. They should do that. Instead, they are doing illegally. They went to Meghalaya to report about this problem. This problem should not be solved by the people of Meghalaya. So this problem can only be solved by our administrative or our council leader. So I would like to appeal the KCC leaders, all the leaders from Karbi Anglong, they should come and visit the place and try to solve the problem as soon as possible. This is what I would like to request. And I also condemn the people of Khasi living here for their misbehaving and submitting the memorandum to Meghalaya government.